God sef, see, but God sef, he tire. If you don't see the Yahoo, but remain for Nigeria, make they do your Yahoo for that place. Did he invest me? Oh? Did he invest me? When I say, come on, Ghana, yeah, Ghana, they arrest 390 Nigerians. Throw them, go drop the flower. Carry 390 Nigerians from Ghana, go drop the flower. They don't even drop the rich, they don't forget the rich Nigeria. They go drop the flower, so they don't become chicken. Drop the flower finish. Nandi Ezendi Igbo for Ghana. Now pay their transport back, carry the enter Nigeria. Ghana. When we say if you hold their 100 cities, their money not reach anything. Their money not reach anything. They call they follow Ghana, they call follow Nigeria, because Nigeria leader. That's why they talk and say, very soon, if they keep repatriating, maybe they return Nigerians. You see, not see the video they returned them from Libya, where they put the side prison for Libya. Nigeria said they cause all these things. I don't know. If I vex, I don't vex. I don't want vex because today na Mother's Day. Because me, I be mama, I be mother. My siblings, I get 6 siblings. I mean be their mother, so I don't want just vex. But when I go come back with this message, anything say Buhari here from my mouth, go manager. Who be Ghana? No. To compare to Nigeria, say Nigeria get almost 9 million. How many? 90 million population. Who be Ghana before? Who they help? The difference between what I don't see for Ghana, the difference between Ghana and Nigeria. Now lights. That's the difference I don't see. Lights, they get lights. Their police then they beat person, then they carry gun. If Nigeria government will give us common electricity, steady electricity, with end police brutality, go to hell with Ghana. Because you're not supposed to even leave African country, enter African country. When you say your money, our currency big past Nigeria, Ghana money by far. Whether Nigeria bad or Nigeria not bad. I don't they talk and say, Nnamdi Kanu. Your boys, they don't too waste time. Nnamdi Kanu boys don't too waste time. If they won't end Nigeria, maybe they end Nigeria once and for all. So that everybody will come back to that place. Maybe any name they won't name that place. You don't name an African corner or African center or African as in I don't know how to take the name they go give Nigeria, the name they go take change up. Any name they want to give the place. Make Boko Haram, may they locate Abuja. So how do they call it? Nnamdi Kanu guys, our boys, the Biafrans, this Eastern Security, may they locate Abuja. Then Amatokon, they call the Yoruba Security, may they locate Abuja. If all this security, both vigilante, both the angry youth of Nigeria and Biafra, if everybody descend on that Aso Rock, Buhari go run mad. That time, since they say UN, no one answer us. Because this they happen now. So, see, if it's too much, maybe they start to erase all the bad leaders from state to states. You don't too much now. Once we are Nigeria army, how many people Nigeria army go fiki? We they fear to fight war, but we keep talking about it. If you want to take the bull by the horn, you catch the bull by the horn and let the bull break the horn of the bull. The noise done too much, the delay done too much. We go. When? Any leader say not support your state, may they erase the leader. Erase the leader. May everybody rest. If not be these bad leaders of Nigeria, who be Ghana? Ghana say they soak Gary and Geisha. Ghana say they don't even get pots. Ghana say they miss food. If they don't miss 5 pots of soup together, their food is sweet. This thing when I see the video, when I hear the news they bust my head. The news they bust my head. When they be saying at the same Ghanaian police, I go start for Flamo, collect money from Nigerians. May they ask me. The same Ghanaian police go stand for Flamo, stand for where they cross the entire Ghana border. They go stand there, collect money from Nigeria guys. Yet, they go allow them enter their country. Then after entering their country, they will still be the same police when we say they arrest them up inside Ghana. Ghana must go, Ghana must go. That was there. That matter don't pass. Ghana catch Nigerians. So as an insult, carry them, go drop them for flower. You won't return people. You did, and you say this people. Now you see this Ghanaians them. You see these people them. Now they say they collect money from UN. Say they want to take return the refugees them. Meanwhile, they didn't even pay any refugee for inside Ghana. They didn't pay the refugees. They didn't pay them once in 3 months. Once in 3 months, they pay them. You carry Nigerians. Go draw them for flower. You say you see laptop. And yet now you will see a lot of enter from right from the borders of Ghana between Togo and Ghana. Now still collect money for them. A lot of enter inside Ghana. After they enter finish, now you do business. This is why we the youth, if we want to decide, let us decide once and for all and end Nigeria once and for all. Nnamdi Kanu, please, if this video reach you, equip your boys more. When we end Nigeria once and for all, when we end Nigeria, then everybody go belong to where they belong to. Then those who say for this so-called country, say they call Ghana, so when we say Ghanaians, they use it till they do. Till the Ghanaians won't begin treat Nigerians as soon as Nigerians not be human beings. They are able to come back to their country. Who they make Ghana? Which one they make Ghana the sea road? The Nigerians. Now Nigerians they pay the highest house rent for Ghana. The Nigerians. I don't go, I don't see. Then something if they eat. But we Nigerians we go there for Ghana. No business, but we see they eat. Because money they come from our place. Some people waiting for Ghana as we speak today. Because some of them they still get connection from US, Italy, different way they send their money. See Ghana here. If we end this useless Nigeria, when we end this useless Nigeria, then who is Ghana? Let's say say Benin Republic. If not say Benin not get population. If they too much, if they begin to disturb us too much, maybe come for Ghana. When that Benin, go develop Benin Republic. We enter Benin, we develop Benin Republic. Benin will go get hate past them. If all Nigerians go for Ghana, Ghana go hungry. They don't get anything. Their money don't get value. Forget about it. You think they made me the vex? See Ghana here, see Ghana. We have for grow up. How many Ghanaians have our compound? Almost 10. Then they marry. Some get church till today. They still live for Nigeria till today. Any color we enter for Ghana, Nigeria, enter here, Nigeria. And yet that Nigeria, now they make on a stand up. Their heart strength, Nigeria. Ghana, if they pay their heart strength. Enough of this thing. Because this is just the point my heart since yesterday. I make a voice and act. Every youth, if you get my message, anyway where you take, if they want to repatriate you, allow them to repatriate you back to Nigeria. So we will descend on our bad leaders in Nigeria and end Nigeria once and for all. Let's end Nigeria once and for all. May they scatter Nigeria. They make us Ghana to make matter say they want to repatriate Nigerians. Ghana say that we they give their lights. Now Nigeria they give Ghana lights. Not because I say they don't manage by their own, they don't manage get their own lights. Nigeria supply Ghana lights for how many years? Yet Ghana they get lights they pass Nigeria. Bad leaders. Nnamdi Kanu I beg. You see your boys. May they act quick. The way Boko Haram don't take full Abuja so. Make your boys may they join too. May they descend on Aso Rock. May Aso Rock reach ground. For your if may they do a state by state. Any state is see any bad leader. May they erase them. Kill them. May they erase them. If I will get bad leader for my company, give me God, I will kill the person. If Nana will go make Nigeria better, if Nana will go make Nigeria better, and I will make us get Biafra. Because number one, three things involved. We are fighting for Biafra. Now Biafra will stand. If any set of for me or my message they pass out to everybody. Those that they won't remain for Nigeria. Either una kill all una bad leaders or una destroy Nigeria. May they change the name. May they change the name. Enough of this rubbish. people will say they are one city. You know, get value for Nigeria. They are one city, not get value for Nigeria. The highest they get na light. When they build, they build their house. The house be like they don't sabi build houses. Now they follow us and make mouths. Where Ghana reach Nigeria before? Ghana reach Nigeria. I don't talk finish. I don't talk finish. I'm not supposed to even talk like this today. But as I remember this matter, it didn't provoke me. I will drop the news today. When I see the news, 300 and imagine the police, they're going to talk like this now. They're going to make the regions unbearable for them. Who be the people? They arrest some suspected, you know they tag the thing, some suspected criminals. And at the end of it, are Nigerians. No single Ghanaian among them. I don't talk about. If you want to do Yahoo, stay for Nigeria, they do one. If you want to do Yahoo, stay for Nigeria, they do one. Stay in Nigeria, they do one. Than you to come another man country and say, they'll come take you to the play panya. If you want to do Yahoo, stay for Nigeria, they do one. If you know if you stay in Nigeria, enter the Republic or you enter Togo. I bet you, who we a faith, happy Sunday too. I don't get the mood of happiness for now first. If you want to do your Yahoo, stay for Nigeria, they do one. Because you don't come for Nigeria, go another man country, say your money, even if you get 500,000 naira, you go enter Ghana, maybe say the money don't get value. You go eat your money finish for them, go begin to beg. What be the need? It's not better you use the 500,000 to start business for your own country. It's better you use the 500,000 so you carry enter Ghana. How can somebody you gather money or 1 million naira for your own country? You carry enter another man country, say don't. You see, if you change the money go there useless. You go see they beg again for them. Why don't people use the money start if na phone accessories for your country? The problem is, you know, once I talk my word now, if you say the more I talk, the more my mind, the more word move my mouth. The problem is some of our youth get be say, you they do something. You they do something. You know, you know they get mind of plan. Now they get mind of plan. You know they invest money to business. Because if now they think they invest money to business, none of you enter Ghana, say. None of you enter Ghana. Princess, please, good afternoon. None of you enter Ghana. You carry 1 million for Nigeria, go enter Ghana. Go you go change that to cities. One cities, 20 cities. One person go open mouth, go talk to you anyhow. One police go take you to the do workshop. Ghana self don't reach to the harass Nigerians. If Ghana don't reach to the harass Nigerians, so what do you for Ghana they do now? You know better you go back to Nigeria. Then if you want to kill the leaders, so kill the leaders there. The Ghana say some of them want enter so. Not be the Ghanaian youth them. Not be they finish all their bad leaders. Now make the Ghana come be a place and say you want to enter. Let's do the same thing in Nigeria there. And if you say, let me tell you something. If you know say you need to fight for the freedom of this of Biafra, you need to fight for the freedom of Nigeria, you remain for that place. Remain there. How you go for African country, go to African country, go suffer? It makes sense. If you know say you are not fighting for Biafra, you are not fighting for the betterment of Nigeria, please remain over there. Remain there. Not come to remember the same black man, they insult you. The same black man, they whip you. The same black man, they use you like fowl. For what now? For what? You can still be successful in that particular Biafra, that Biafra. How many of our Biafrans get houses, get shop? And even the surprising now, yes, some Biafrans come for Biafra, enter Ghana, say they want to press. You don't feel press where you dey. I don't want to talk again. No. I don't talk finish because I dey even a verse. I dey verse as I dey so. Me I dey verse. That news is a very rubbish news. Carry Nigerians 390 go drop for flower. And SND Igbo now come pay their transport. Even they say some of them said that they go report themselves to police for Ghana because of the threat. I hear the news now. When I listen to the news, say they will make it uncomfortable for them. Now some Nigerians carry themselves, go give themselves to the police. Now the police, they so the Ghana government, they not carry them go back to Nigeria. They carry them go drop them for Aflawo border. May they put there. Now Aflawo na Togo, between Togo and Ghana. All because they see you with laptop. That is it. They see you with laptop. They believe say Nigerians they commit crime for their country. Yes. Because if I say you say be the youth, say you do for the because if I talk this side, I will talk this side. You say be the youth, say enter another man's country. You know what work, you know they work anything. You know they work. And you enter another man's country. Yet you go still go there, you go fight. Yet you go still go there, you go join court. You go do your court, come out for another man's country. If I side una finish, I'll sit tell una photo. I'll tell una photo. Especially our Nigeria guys. Una they try at all for some kind of place. I get this one say, you know the investment and the way they treat them. Can they go drop them for flower? That one even they pay me. If not, our Nigeria boys, una own too much. You go another my country. You go there. You go make problem there. You go there. You go do Yahoo. You don't go hide yourself. You go still go there, you're going to go do court activities. Allah they know say you do court activities. I know say the country, they do those kinds of things. What do you expect? Truth is bitter, but I have to ask you the question. Country say they do when they do this thing, when they do courts, you go there, go exhibit them. They go know say you did one. You go they carry shoulder, they show yourself up and down. Shop you not get. Nothing you they do. So why they don't go suspect you? Now we Nigerians. Now we Nigerians, now we they see they use our hand, they drop problem for us, for ourselves. Now we Nigerians, now we they use our hand, they drop problem for ourselves. Because if like you go another man's country, so you carry your body down, you don't get problem with them. You go suffer finish, gather 1 million for your own country, enter another man's country finish. When you reach there finish, you don't bring your body down. You go want show the sign you shall be dress pass. You show the sign that you shall be do courtis pass. Now you shall be fight pass. For another man's country. Then you can't expect that to begin. They're gonna look you now. They're gonna look you, they'll tell you welcome. And the worst part of all, the country, so they need to do that kind of thing. The country, they need to do that kind of thing. So you won't go, they don't go allow you to spoil their people. They don't go allow you to spoil their people. If you want to make grab, you make it for your own Nigeria. Or you make it for Biafra land. Not for another man country. Even if you want to talk for another man country, you talk for what it really concern you, what you say you know so you're right. Now you go talk about. You know if you come